What are we building, boys?
Huh?
What are we building?
Island.
An island.
Our submarine base.
All right, cool. Welcome to N49 Outlier, my weekend up to Sidney Spit with the boys. Just wanted to showcase what life's like, just being there by myself with my two little kids, and how they get along and how they don't get along. Hope you enjoy the video. Day 2 at the Spit called for a long 2-hour hike. It was pretty nice. I love these natural little ripples in the sand created by streams of water, and knowing that each low tide is a different permutation from the tide before. And of course we had a little raft up buddy boating with our friends from Fantasea, Chris, Becky, and Griffin. are we building, boys?
Huh?
What are we building?
Island.
An island.
Our submarine base.
All right, cool. We got our own personal scallywag there on the ukulele.
I'm gonna be that fisherman, mine and mine. You and mine are.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Mine and mine. You and mine are. Woo-hoo-hoo. Now we are ready to head for the horn. Way, hey, roll and go. Our boots and our clothes, boys, are all in the pond to be rollicking randy dandy o. Heave a polo, heave away. Way, hey, roll and go. The anchor's on board and the cable's all stowed to be rollicking randy dandy o. Man the stout capstan and heave with will. Ho! Way, hey, roll and go. For soon we'll be driving her way up the hill to be rollicking randy dandy o. Heave a polo, heave away. Way, hey, roll and go. The anchor's on board and the cable's all stowed to be rollicking randy dandy o. Heave away, bullies, ye perish trig bums. Way, hey, roll and go. Take your hands from your pockets and don't suck your thumbs to be.
Hey, boys. Boys, how was your trip to Sidney Spit?
Go.
Right on. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
What was your most favorite thing about the trip?
The beach.
The beach and the baby. Eh? Right on.
The beach and the baby.
Sweet. Good.
Heave a polo, heave away. Way, hey, roll and go. The anchor's on board and the cable's all stowed to be rollicking randy dandy o. Heave a polo, heave away. Way, hey, roll and go. The anchor's on board and the cable's all stowed to be rollicking randy dandy o.